Hello, I'm going to go through what I'm carrying for my 4 weeks traveling through Vietnam. I did this before when I traveled through Oman and Saudi Arabia and Pakistan and Bangladesh and so on and so forth. But I'm carrying something different before. Before I had a little underseat roller bag carry-on. Now I have a small backpack. It counts as a personal item, but then I also have a small personal item bag. So I'm going to go through everything kind of quickly, and then I'm going to do the extended remix to show you specifically like each thing that I'm carrying, even in the first aid kit and so on and so forth. So here is the carry-on, let's call it. I have here a jacket. Mostly, I don't need this in Vietnam at all, or Thailand or Laos or whatnot, but I'm carrying it because I travel with it on the plane, and I have a hoodie, and I put the hoodie over and go to sleep. So then I have, this is, one of these is filled with a few pairs of socks. These are both filled with underwear. Underwear is my luxury. I'm currently carrying, I think, like 11 pairs. Laundry is phenomenally cheap in this part of the world, but I don't like to have to do it, so there we go. Okay, let's do this. This is the little first aid kit. I have a giant first aid kit that we travel with our groups, but this is one that I carry even with our groups when they're going out, you know, out on the town or something. I generally try to have it with me at all times. And I brought it with me for myself. Let's see, anything else in here? Oh yeah, there's a couple masks here, cough drops. That is it there. Then I've got two types of hats. I've got one wide brim hat, which I've been wearing a lot of. And then I've got like a fold up baseball hat that also fits inside my pocket. This is my laundry bag. This is electronic stuff. I will go through that shortly. This is my bedside bag that has stuff that I take before bed, earplugs. This is filled with earplugs, my eye shades, which I wear every single night, and I'll go through that later on as well. Okay, this is my clothes. It has one pair of pants, and I think there are 4 shirts in here, maybe 5. I will go through that shortly. And then I have my computer here. On the side, I have a rain shell for this. It has not rained at all in Vietnam, but it is expected to later on today even. I have been looking for a really, really light pair of flip-flop sandals. I don't like thongs. They bother my toes. And I have not found them. I've looked online. I've tried a million different places for like 2 years. And the other day at one of the hotels here in Vietnam, these were the house slippers, and I asked if I could buy them, and they gave them to me. And they're so phenomenally light. I mean, I don't know how many grams, like 10 grams or 15 grams each or something like that. They're so light, and they collapse, and I'm so excited to have them. Okay, that is it inside here. That's everything inside my little backpack, which is quite small actually. So, what is it? Oh, I have an AirTag. AirTag's on absolutely everything. And then I have, this is my, let's call it personal item. And this is the one that weighs a fair bit because it has my camera gear in it. Okay, what do I have here? I've got my other baseball hat. I told you it folds up and collapses to nothing. I love it. My AirPods. A mask, just in case. A hanky. A battery. What do you call it? MagSafe goes on the phone and charges my phone up. Sunscreen. I don't use as often as I should. Extra battery for my camera. Again, cough drops and sanitizing wipes. This bag is usually ready to go, grab and go if I'm going out on the town and I want to carry my big camera. and such. Inside here then I also have, of course, my camera. I only have my camera with a small lens, and then I have my big lens, 70-200 f2.8 if you're interested. So there's my big lens. Umbrella, I'm only carrying one umbrella right now. I normally have multiple umbrellas because I never like to be without one, be it for rain or sun purposes. My rain jacket, my rain shell, have not taken out yet in Vietnam, but just might at some point. And then this is a dry bag that I can put my camera gear. This thing is not at all water resistant, so I can put my camera in here if I'm out on the town and it starts raining. And then a pair of sunglasses. And that is it. Now, if you want the extended remix, I'm going to keep going here, all right? Okay.